You're under a dashboard, bolt barely visible, wrist bent like a pretzel, and your manual ratchet is moving one click at a time. That is when cordless ratchet wrenches stop looking like luxury tools. In this video, we're ranking the 7 best options that save time, knuckles, and patience in tight spaces. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Aoben. If you're upgrading from hand tools for the first time, the Aoben makes a surprisingly practical place to start. It isn't chasing huge torque numbers. Instead, it focuses on making everyday repair work noticeably easier without becoming intimidating or overly expensive. Its 12-volt motor produces 40 foot-pounds of torque while spinning up to 280 revolutions per minute through a variable speed trigger. That combination is ideal for quickly running fasteners in and out after they've been broken loose manually. The built-in LED also helps when you're buried inside an engine bay or working beneath cabinets where overhead lighting rarely reaches. The package includes 2 batteries, a charger, and several sockets, so there's very little else to buy before getting started. Battery level indicators help prevent unexpected interruptions, while the cooling system keeps temperatures under control during longer projects. This is the one I'd recommend for homeowners, occasional vehicle maintenance, and first-time buyers. Just remember that stubborn suspension bolts and heavily rusted hardware will still need a breaker bar before this ratchet takes over. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Acropow. Here's the pick for someone already living in the DeWalt battery universe and wanting a stronger ratchet without buying another charger. Acropow sells this as the tool only, so the value makes sense only if you already own compatible DeWalt 20-volt max packs. Its brushless motor is the headline. 74 foot-pounds of torque gives it more confidence on automotive brackets, mower repairs, and stubborn household hardware than the smaller budget kits. The trade-off is speed. 0 to 200 revolutions per minute is controlled rather than wild, better for accuracy than racing through long threads. The compact head and onboard light are what make it useful in real work. Under a seat rail or around an engine accessory, less bulk means fewer scraped knuckles and fewer colorful words. This is strongest for semi-professional users and do-it-yourself mechanics who value battery compatibility and durability. Just remember the missing battery and charger, because that detail changes the whole purchase equation. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. CZ. CC feels like the kit made for people who do not want to build a tool setup piece by piece. You get the ratchet, 2 2000 mAh batteries, a fast charger, sockets from 10 to 17 millimeters, adapters, an extension bar, and a case. Basically, open it and start working. The 21-volt platform gives it a useful 60 foot-pounds of torque, while 300 revolutions per minute keeps small repairs moving quickly. That matters when you are assembling furniture, pulling appliance panels, or dealing with repeated bolts where a hand ratchet gets old fast. The trigger control is a quiet advantage. You can start slowly so you do not cross-thread a fastener, then speed up once everything is aligned. The built-in light and safety lock round out the daily convenience. This one suits buyers who want a complete grab-and-go package for home garages and weekend projects. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Full-Yee. Speed is where the Full-Yee separates itself. It reaches up to 550 revolutions per minute, allowing it to run long bolts and repetitive fasteners surprisingly quickly. Removing covers, skid plates, furniture hardware, or rows of small bolts becomes less like a workout and more like pressing a trigger. Torque is rated at 40 foot-pounds. That makes this tool better at quickly spinning loosened hardware than breaking free seized automotive bolts. Think of it as a replacement for repetitive wrist movement, not a substitute for a high-torque impact wrench or breaker bar. 2 2000 mAh batteries are included, letting you keep one pack available while the other charges. A battery indicator helps prevent unexpected shutdowns, and dedicated cooling channels manage heat during extended use. At approximately 2.2 pounds with the battery installed, it is also comfortable during overhead repairs. The slim head and rubberized grip make it easy to maneuver in narrow spaces. This is the one I would choose for household projects, furniture assembly, and lighter automotive maintenance, where fast operation and low weight matter more than maximum loosening power. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Chemo. Some tools earn a higher spot because they solve one specific irritation brilliantly. Chemo solves reach. Its 16-inch extended body lets you get into deep engine bays, truck frames, and overhead equipment without performing garage yoga. Then there is the muscle. 89 foot-pounds of torque backed by a brushless motor gives it real confidence when fasteners are rusted, tight, or simply annoying. It still is not a replacement for proper braking tools, but it has more authority than most cordless ratchets in this group. The recessed head is another smart detail. It helps the socket sit cleanly in cramped areas, which means fewer slips and less damage around sensitive parts. The 0 to 400 revolutions per minute trigger range also gives you finesse before speed. This is the one I would recommend for serious automotive work, motorcycles, and anyone who regularly fights hidden bolts. 2 batteries and fast charging keep it productive. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Rooser Bolt. Rooser Bolt is not trying to be subtle. It brings 88 foot-pounds of torque and a 0 to 500 revolutions per minute trigger, which is the combination you want when a job swings from careful thread starting to quick bolt removal. That wide speed range is the selling point. Start slow on small hardware so you do not scar the threads, then press deeper when you're running a row of fasteners out of a panel. It gives the tool a surprisingly grown-up feel. The brushless motor helps with efficiency and durability, while the pair of 2,000 mAh batteries keeps you working instead of babysitting a charger. Add the light, battery indicator, soft grip, and ultra-thin head, and it becomes a strong garage companion. This makes the most sense for buyers who want near top-tier power without stepping into a premium brand price. The 3-pound weight is manageable, though not feather-like, and all that speed rewards a careful trigger finger. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Deco Pro. The surprise here is that Deco Pro deserves a spot in this video not by boasting the biggest torque number, but by being the easiest kit to live with. Its 8-volt max motor and 40 foot-pounds of torque cover the everyday jobs most people actually buy cordless ratchets for. Think spark plugs, small motors, motorcycles, chair repairs, car trim work, and general home maintenance. Those are not glamorous jobs, but they are exactly where a powered ratchet changes the mood from "this will take all afternoon" to "done before coffee gets cold." The full-size accessory set is the big practical advantage. You are not hunting for missing sockets, adapters, or storage before the first bolt even moves. The metal toolbox also matters because loose sockets have a magical talent for disappearing. I would choose this for beginners and anyone who wants an organized all-in-one ratchet kit. For everyday convenience, it is a very good pick. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best cordless ratchet wrenches you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.